Hi guys, this is Claudia again with Trajan Commercial, and I want to introduce you to my new listing here in Doral. Come and check it out. Here we are at this Flex Industrial Warehouse. It's a combination of industrial property with office. This property is 3,398 square feet. This is the lobby/reception area. And I'm gonna show you now my favorite part of this property. Here we have over 1,150 square feet of warehouse area with ceiling heights of 9 and 20 feet. We also have one street level bay door, 10 by 12 feet, electric roll-up bay door with insulation for energy efficiency. We have 2 AC units, one cooling the office area on the second floor and one cooling the warehouse area with complete insulation. Warehouse is an ideal space for storage, distribution, light manufacturing, or business expansion in one of South Florida's most dynamic industrial markets. Here we are on the second floor where we also have all the offices. We have one IT room, we have one bathroom, and a kitchen area. This warehouse is in a prime location in Doral. It has easy access to the Palmetto Expressway, the 836, the Florida Turnpike, and just a few miles away from the Miami International Airport, making logistics and shipping seamless. Your business deserves the best location. Make it happen in Doral.